You ride an adventure motorcycle and you don't have a wider foot peg. Yes, that's a case for a lot of guys. So here are some information that you should have on why you should switch to a wider foot peg. Wider foot peg give you a better contact patch. That means you get a better stability on your motorcycle. You're riding not just sitting but also while standing, and when standing you need more stability, and wider foot peg gives more wider contact patch on your foot pegs, as well as it keeps the motorcycle stable with you on top of the motorcycle. It gives you a good place to plant your foot on the motorcycle. You can relax on a wider foot peg because it's more like a platform, so that when you are riding for longer durations, you can come back and stand on the motorcycle, even sit on the motorcycle and stay relaxed. On a smaller or a slimmer contact patch foot peg, your legs get hurt much more than the required amount of time. And thirdly, all of this is linked to the shoe flex. If the foot peg is slightly slimmer, it flexes your shoes a lot, which means you will have some pain in your arch of the foot. So please make sure that you install wider foot pegs so that you can have lesser flex and your shoes wear and tear are also lesser. Which foot peg do you like the most? Why don't you put all of that information in the comment section below?